Hey, you're not just gonna throw that away, are you?
Shut up!
Cartoons!
Oh, give me a f***ing break!
Well, howdy! A skylight. I'm outside. Now I'm inside. And now I'm outside. And now I'm inside. This is the best bar mitzvah present ever. Shalom!
Hey, you're not just gonna throw that away, are you? Mama needs a kicks. Ho ho, I'm not interrupting your gay sex, am I?
Really? We're gonna do this again?
Just saying, your little hentai buddy there has dildos for feet.
Listen, you little half-retarded flying octopus.
With dildos for feet.
I was trying to summon a mythical monster god to destroy the universe! And all I got was you. Why?
'Cause that lady had her no-nos touched.
I don't have to worry about that happening here.
Oh, you know what? Fine. Let's do this. Yeah, you know what? You and me, right now.
Well, come on, big boy.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. You better get ready. Here comes Big Daddy Z, all ready for sex.
Bring it on, big man. Meow, meow.
Here I come, baby. Taking off my robe.
Oh, whatever will I do? Won't someone save me, Wink?
Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna have a glass of wine first.
Oh, that's okay. You go get yourself a glass of wine then.
Okay, you know what?
Yay!
Can you find me a virgin?
Why, sure I can.
Bring me one.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your bike.
Swiss